In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save a filter view in Google Sheets. If you've ever collaborated on a spreadsheet and needed to focus on just a subset of data without changing what others see, filter views are the perfect tool. They let you apply filters that are visible only to you until someone chooses that same view, keeping the main spreadsheet untouched and your analysis clear and repeatable. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and navigating to the specific sheet you want to work with. Make sure your data has a clear header row because that's where the filter controls will appear and where you'll make your selections. Next, go to the top toolbar and click on the Data menu. From the drop-down that appears, hover over or select Filter Views, then choose Create New Filter View. When the filter view opens, you'll notice a distinct header along the top of the grid indicating you're working inside a dedicated view. This confirms that any filters you apply now won't change the default display for other collaborators. With the filter view active, look at the header row of your dataset. You'll see a small funnel icon in each column header. Click the funnel for the column you want to filter. You can select specific values to include, search for entries, or use condition-based filtering, like showing only numbers greater than a certain amount or text that contains a particular keyword. Apply filters across as many columns as you need to narrow down the information to exactly what's useful. Take a moment to scan the results to ensure the filtered view reflects your intended criteria. Now let's make this view easy to find later. At the top left of the Filter Views header, click where it says Untitled Filter View. Type a clear, descriptive name, something that captures the purpose, like Current Quarter Sales Only or Open Tasks by Owner. Naming it thoughtfully will save time when you or your teammates come back to it. Press Enter to save the name. That's it. Your filter view is now saved for later use. The big benefit here is consistency. The next time you need this exact filtered snapshot, you won't have to rebuild it. You can simply open the same view and pick up right where you left off. Remember, because this is a filter view, your filters won't disrupt what others see in the default sheet, which keeps collaboration smooth and organized.